As of January 2025, Apple has not officially announced a foldable iPhone, but industry speculation suggests a potential release around 2026. The device is rumored to feature a flexible OLED display measuring between 7.6 and 7.9 inches when unfolded, offering a tablet-like experience ideal for multitasking and media consumption. In its folded state, the cover screen is expected to be approximately 5.3 to 5.5 inches, providing standard smartphone functionality. Design-wise, Apple may opt for a clamshell or flip style, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series, focusing on a compact form factor that unfolds into a larger display. To ensure durability, Apple is reportedly working on minimizing screen creasing and enhancing hinge mechanisms. The foldable iPhone is anticipated to be powered by a next-generation A-series chip, possibly the A20, delivering high performance and energy efficiency. Additional features could include support for the Apple Pencil, a promotion display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a dual camera system with wide and ultra-wide lenses. Pricing is expected to start around $1,100, positioning it competitively within the premium segment of the smartphone market.